Hello, Busy Bookkeepers. I wanted to jump on for just a few minutes because enrolments for my transformation program are open. It was a big week last week. If I'm being honest, I'm still just kind of recovering from long days. I didn't finish till 9 o'clock at night as we did our evening coaching sessions. They were amazing. And on that note, before I just mention a few things that might be helpful about the option in terms of working with us. Thank you for showing up for yourself. And thank you because you're an amazing group. I learned so much from you. And because you were open and you shared all the fears and obstacles you did, I was able to help you as best I could. So amazing reset. Thank you so much. Now, on to a bit about your practice, you, and also the work with us option. So what's in my heart to share is that, as I mentioned on Friday, you've got 3 paths to choose from right now. The choice is yours. So you can DIY, you can patchwork it, or you can work with us. Now, these paths are something I know from lived experience, right? So how did I start out? I was doing it all myself. And then eventually I realized, oh my goodness, I might need a bit of help from professionals. Forgive a little noise in the background. We are driving. So I've done that. And then that's actually how and why I built the transformation program, okay? So in terms of you and working with us, so bookkeepers don't fail because they're not capable. That they absolutely don't. And you know how I know that? I was failing over and over again. Yes, I was failing when I was trying to do it all myself. I was failing when I was hiring professionals and spent $1 squillion on people that made big promises. And ultimately, I just had to keep vetting, hiring, hoping, testing, realizing it wasn't working, etc. Okay, but I was highly capable. I didn't fail because I wasn't capable. Okay, so you're not failing because you're not capable. You are struggling because you just haven't been given the detailed, turnkey, done for you assets and strategies and processes. That is it. That is all represented in the jigsaw, right? The bookkeeping practice blueprint. So in terms of working with us, that is all done for you, plus some done with you. And we want to work with you on that for a year to make that transformation. And then I would love to continue to work with you beyond that. And the choice is yours. So right now, I would love for you to look at the trial, the 7-day trial. And the reason for that, I do only make it available during these promo periods. It likely won't be available for 6 to 12 months again. So this is something that I just encourage all bookkeepers to take up so that you can have a very low cost way of trying this. Okay, $99 for 7 days. The second thing, I will encourage you to go to our testimonials page and read testimonials. Now, the third thing, if I am being bold and really being honest with you, is here's what I don't want. I don't want you to not work with me because you feel like I don't want to spend the money. Because here's what I want you to understand. You are going to spend a hell of a lot more money and time trying to do this yourself than coming and joining me. And that, honestly, it's not a pitch. That is from my heart, because when I was speaking to a bookkeeper the other day, and I totally understand, she said, well, cash flow's tight, I'm going to DIY. And it was later on, right? It was Friday night. I thought, you know what? No. I thought, I know the opportunity cost. That means the money she's not going to make because she doesn't join us. I know all of the cost of time and money that's going to happen from lived experience and from working with bookkeepers. Okay, so please do remember that the program has a full money back guarantee. Please do remember that if you choose the cash flow friendly payment plan, it is designed for the program to pay for itself week on week for you to get results, okay? And that all of this is published and you can see these results. You can even talk to bookkeepers inside my program, okay? So finally, rather than keep you any longer, what I would like to do finally is just invite you to consider which path you're going to take, and to comment here, to ask questions, to feel free to reach out to me by email so that I can assist you in choosing a path. And finally, no matter what path you choose, DIY, patchwork, or working with us, I will be cheering you on, and I will give you as much support as I humanly can in any path that you choose. Okay, so whatever is right for you, you're going to know it's going to come to you in your heart. And I will jump on for the next few days until we close off this promo period, and I'll see you soon.